Hi, I'm Harry. I will discuss The Secret to Success by Socrates. Who is Socrates? Well, he was born in 469 BC in Athens, Greece. His father was a stonemason and a sculptor, and his mother was a midwife. So before he became a philosopher, for many years he worked as a stonemason. He didn't actually write directly about the teachings that he was teaching to any people, but he had students, that's Plato and Xenophon, who recorded some of his teachings, and that's why we have an idea that it's credited to him. I'd like to share some of the quotes that I felt is very relevant until now. True wisdom comes to each of us when we realize how little we understand about life, ourselves, and the world around us. Those who are hardest to love need it the most. Be nicer than necessary to everyone you meet. Everyone is fighting some kind of battle. Strong minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Weak minds discuss people. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences. Stupid people already have all the answers. Wonder is the beginning of wisdom. To find yourself, think for yourself. Employ your time in improving yourself by other men's writings, so that you shall gain easily what others have labored hard for. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. But lastly, the mind is everything what you think you become. Also, do you have an idea what the secret to success is? Maybe I'll share one more story to you. Once a young man asked the wise man Socrates the secret to success. Socrates patiently listened to the man's question and told him to meet me near the river the next morning for the answer. The next morning, Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. As they went in the river, the water got up to their neck. But to the young man's surprise, Socrates ducked him into the water. The young man struggled to get out of the water, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy was actually turning blue. Socrates pulled the man's head out of the water. The young man gasped and took a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when your head was in the water?" The young man replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air while you were in the water, then you will get it. There is no other secret." So what's the moral of the story? A burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. And just like a small fire, it cannot give much heat. A weak desire cannot produce great results. Thank you. So if you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share to this link. Thank you.